Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate-dipped strawberries. Start with the freshest, ripest strawberries you can find. Gently wash them under cool water, then pat them completely dry with a paper towel. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from adhering properly, so this step is crucial. Prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper or wax paper. This will be where your beautiful chocolate-dipped treats will set. For a truly decadent treat, select a good quality chocolate, whether it's dark, milk, or white. Break it into small pieces. You can melt it gently over a double boiler, stirring until smooth, or in the microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each. Be careful not to overheat it, as burnt chocolate is no fun at all. Now for the fun part. Hold each strawberry by its stem or hull and dip it into the melted chocolate, twisting gently to coat about 2/3 of the berry. Lift it out, letting any extra chocolate drip back into the bowl. Place the dipped strawberry onto your prepared parchment paper. If you're adding sprinkles, chopped nuts, or a contrasting chocolate drizzle, do it right away before the chocolate sets. Once all your strawberries are dipped and decorated, it's time to let the chocolate set. Place the baking sheet in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely firm to the touch. For the best flavor and texture, enjoy your chocolate-dipped strawberries within 1 or 2 days. Keep them stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.